Here's the hidden trap. Shutil.copy2 silently preserves timestamps, but writes to a temp file first, making your overwrite vulnerable to corruption during crashes or interruptions. Imports the path class from the pathlib module to enable object-oriented file system path manipulation. Imports the shutil module to access high-level file operations, including copy2, which preserves metadata. Imports the OS module, though it isn't used in the provided code snippet. Creates a path object pointing to a directory named test_dir in the current working directory. Creates the test_dir directory if it does not already exist, using exist_ok to avoid errors if already present. Constructs a path object representing the file destination txt inside the test_dir directory using path joining. Writes the string literal original to the file referenced by the src path, overriding if it already exists. Writes the string literal stale to the file referenced by the dst path, overriding if it already exists. Uses shutil.copy2 to copy the contents and metadata of the file at src to the location at dst, preserving timestamps. Reads the content of the file at dst and prints it with the prefix copy2 to verify the copy operation succeeded. Uses the replace method on a path wrapper of dst to atomically move dst onto src, overriding src if it exists. Reads the content now present in the file at src and prints it with the prefix replace to confirm the atomic replacement. Tests whether the file at dst still exists after the replace operation and prints the result with the prefix atomic. Use pathlib, path.replace, when you need atomic overwrites, no temp files, no race conditions. Subscribe for daily coding videos.